and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the December Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month and it includes 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You're also going to have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that the design team creates for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll have a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with our talented design team. You're also going to have access to a free exclusive cut file, and this month it is this awesome tree that could be backed with one of the pattern papers with the title Treat Every Day Like Christmas. You also get a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and you can sip on that as you unbox your goodies or start creating with your collections. Along with our flavors of the month, we have some add-ons. So we have a pattern paper add-on, embellishment add-on, and a cardstock add-on so that you can have these kits go even further. It's all different product than what you're receiving in this kit, so you'll have even more patterns and colors to play with. So be sure to check out the reveal videos at the end here. Our 4 collections this month is a Vintage Christmas from Cartabella, Sugar Plum Christmas from Photoplay Paper, and the Simple Vintage Yuletide from Simple Stories, and Vicki Bouton's Wrapped in Ribbons. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these 4 collections. First off, we're going to look at a Vintage Christmas from Cartabella. This is a beautiful vintage Christmas collection, beautiful colors in the red with touches of pinks and those bright greens. You're going to start with 2 sheets of cardstock, and I'm going to move this because this is the cardstock that goes with this collection. So it's a dark green and a cream, so it's double-sided. So if you wanted to do a double page layout with cardstock, you could have the same colored background, or if you want to do 2 different layouts with different colors, you have those 2 different colors of cardstock. For your patterned paper, we have this beautiful poinsettia, and the back is a 2-toned green. This paper is called Holiday Floral. And then we have this Victorian type homes, all in a row. It's super gorgeous. And the back is a light green, tone on tone. That paper is called A Christmas Village. Then we have the adorable Santa Claus. And the back is a tone-on-tone red. And this paper is called Vintage Santa Claus. So one more look at your pattern papers. For your embellishments, these will all vary among the kits, but you're going to get 2 of the sheets of stickers, so they will vary. I got some borders and then some icons. You're also going to get some of the brads, so these will vary as well, but I got the little sparkling gemstones here. So that is a Vintage Christmas from Cartabella. Our next collection is Sugar Plum Christmas from Photoplay Paper. So if you love the pinks and the aqua, the mint, you're going to love this collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of coconut swirl cardstock. This paper called Sugar Cottage, which has all the cottages on that light blue. The back is a snowflake on the bright pink. Then we have Candy Cane Wishes, which is the pink and aqua candy canes. The back is a swirly line on the minty green. And then we have Sweet Nutcrackers, which are all these gorgeous nutcrackers, which are so popular right now. And the back is a plaid design with the pink and the mint. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a gumdrop border and this little banner border, and then we have these big banners here. Lots of big words for titles and subtitles. I love the little gingerbread train, baking spirits bright, no peeking. So that is Sugar Plum Christmas from Photoplay. Our next collection is Simple Vintage Yuletide from Simple Stories. So this is their kind of vintage collections that has the distressing and all of that I love. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of olive cardstock, Your pattern paper is this one, Making Spirits Bright. Again, another perfect background page, just the way that it is. It has the doily, the Santa, and all of the little embellishments stacked up. The back is a green plaid with the distressing and the text. Then we have this one, Filled with Wonder, which has all of the pages and tickets and different ephemera pieces like that with poinsettias up the sides. And then full poinsettia print on the back. We have this paper called Christmas Traditions, which is the wreaths and the different colored bows. And the back is this gorgeous polka dot on that golden color with the little text at the sides again. So one more look. I just love the colors in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of embellishments. Always love it when we have lots of options. So you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces, some enamel dots. You're going to get one of the sheets from the sticker book and a frame. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits, but you'll get something very similar. So that is Simple Vintage Yuletide from Simple Stories. Our final collection is Wrapped in Ribbons by Vicki Boutin. And I always love her collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Blackberry Swirl cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one here with all of the strips of paper and kind of like washi and things to make the tree and the inking on the back. The back is this green plaid with stars with the black. Then we have this with the greenery on a green background. It's kind of painted like a canvas. Super cute. And the other side is a red and black striped, again with the little green foliage for the border. Then we have this one that's the half circle with different pattern papers here, a grid background. And the back is a fun striped with a bow border. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, again, you're going to get a wide variety of different embellishments. You're going to get some of the foam stickers. You're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. So these here are chipboard. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So some of these are vellum, printed on vellum, and then some are just the die cuts on the cardstock. So lots of embellishments there to have a lot of fun. So that is Wrapped in Ribbons by Vicki Boutin. One more look at your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all the add-ons that we talked about. I'll have links here that you can click on and watch the full reveal of those and get those added to any of your shipments. Also check out all the individual items in the store as well. We want to thank you so much for being with us this year, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.